I decided to bring y'all along to see me do my first ever silk press. So you guys, this is my friend Kiara. I'm pretty sure y'all already know her. She's done been on my channel before. We went to school together. She has a YouTube channel of her own, all of that good stuff. So you guys, she's a mom. Her son will be 1 this year. So I think he's like 8 or 9 months right now. And y'all, so I'm giving her a good old little treatment, just some good old little, free time from the baby, just trying to give her the best experience that I can give her while she has a break. Because y'all, I remember when I was there, and y'all, I would just let my hair do anything. My hair was like my last thought. I did not think about doing my hair because you got 10,000 other things to do that does not that, you know what I'm saying, on the list of priorities, your hair is just not up there with them. So I'm like, okay, girl, you baby free, so I did her hair. And plus, y'all, my girl, she always get me right. So we traded service for service, and y'all, she babysat for me. That's what type of stuff that I need right there. I need some people who gonna trade a service for some babysitting, because I be needing help babysitting my child, okay? I be having to go to work. But yeah, you guys, so right here, all I'm doing is giving her a good old treatment. My thought process with everything was to, of course, treat her hair, make sure that we're building healthy bonds, that we're, giving the hair the moisture and everything that it needs before we go in and add some heat. Even though, y'all, I'm not I don't like a lot of heat, so I try to do as little heat as possible, but still, you got to get the hair some treatment. So yeah, and I'm using a steamer to help the product really penetrate the hair, because y'all, her hair, it mats really bad. We don't know why. I feel like after doing this treatment, I think that we need to start just adding more and more moisture and more treatments for her hair, because her hair, it would just revert back to being matte after you detangle it. But when I did the whole steam treatment and her hair soaked everything up and was super moisturized, it was so moisturized that it could not tangle. It was insane. Her hair did not tangle. After I detangled it, it did not get back tangled throughout the whole process. And y'all, literally, we would wash her hair, detangle it, and by the time we would go from the sink to the chair, it would be back matted. We did not know why, but I really feel like I told her we need to just start adding these treatments in, and hopefully we will see some results with that. So yeah, this part right here took a good little minute, so we're just gonna continue through with that until we get to the next step. And this is at the end of the detangling process, just letting the steam finish up, just helping that product really get in her hair. And y'all, used a bunch of product, and the fact that it's not white should show y'all how good that it soaked into her hair. So y'all, this little contraption thing right here, I do not know where it's from or what it's called, how much it costs, anything, because y'all, it is not mine. My friend, she does hair at my house sometimes, and it belongs to her, and it works. That's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, and y'all, I was getting water in her face. I've not washed hair in a sink, especially like this, ever. So I was just like, I do not know how to do this without getting you wet. But then I finally figured out it's the same thing. I was thinking that it would be too harsh on her hair, but she was like, girl, this feel good. So yeah, we're just rinsing that out. Then I went in and I shampooed and I conditioned. I did not show me doing that, but I did show the products that I used. Y'all, my biggest advice is to do research on your products. Use products specifically for that client, for whatever they want for their hair, and get your products that way. So yeah, after we did that, I made sure I rinsed everything out very good. I did not want no extra product in there. And then we moved into the actual hair room so that we can move on to the next step. And so after I did the final rinse, I took her into the room to get her prepared for a good blow dry. And like I said, y'all, literally all I was noticing was how easy I could part her hair and separate it and stuff. So I knew okay, we definitely got a good treatment, all that good stuff. Y'all, excuse my bag. I did not think to change the angle so y'all can see better, but we're gonna work with what we got. So now I'm spraying my blow dry heat protectant that I'm going to use, that it's supposed to help with like frizz and humidity and stuff like that. So I'm doing her first initial blow dry using this Dyson. After I did that, I went in, I'm sorry, I'm reading the text that he got. I used the Dyson for the first run, and then after that I went through with a blow dryer and a round brush to get it even more straight, but I used it on cool setting, and I used it just to kind of smooth it out. So I did the first blow dry, which is also kind of like a cooler heat. It's warm, but it's not hot, and that really got it straight. I love that blow dryer. And then, like I said, I used the round brush to finish, and then after I had got done blow drying the hair as straight and smooth as I liked, I went in with my flat iron heat protecting spray, blow dried it because I used a lot because I wanted to protect her hair for real. So I blow dried it in, and then after that I used my flat irons to press her out. I flat ironed her hair one time, then I went through and I curled the ends a little bit, and then after that you guys will see the final result. So yeah, around the perimeters, I used my little flat iron. I use these to do like baby hair, but I use these around the perimeter to really like get her edges straight, just so that they can kind of flow and match into the silk press / blowout, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, and then after that I went in with the regular flat irons. These are babyless flat irons. Again, these are not mine. These are my friend who comes and does hair here sometimes. They're actually her flat irons. But yeah, and I'm taking this comb specifically for using heat and flat ironing and stuff. So I went through and, like I said, did everything with one pass, then curled the ends. I couldn't really get a lot of it on camera because I was blocking it, so yeah. But this is the end result. She loved it, and I'm so glad that she enjoyed, and I'm so glad that she trusted me to give her a blowout. Thank you, and I hope you guys enjoyed.